Hey guys, it's Aidette. I am in love with this look in this collection. Avani X Morphe. Let me just say that. I'm gonna cut the chit chat. Look at this. We have a fiery, glossy, yummy, delicious. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's move on into the tutorial because this is too absolutely scrumptious. Chef's kiss. I personally love Morphe plus Avani, so this collaboration here is already just really hyping me up, so I'm really excited to play with this. I did already take a little sneak peek. I didn't go into detail and like really take my time to observe what was in this collection because I did post this on my Instagram stories. I want to just jump right in, but today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be starting off with the eyes because I just want to get into it. I don't even want to waste time on doing my face makeup. I just want to like do that at the very end. This is the Avani palette. Look how beautiful she is. I'm just gonna insert a clip right here of what the PR package looked like. You can tell that Avani had a lot of creative direction with this, which I definitely appreciate because I love when the creator just takes charge and really just pours their heart into a collection. Avani Greg X Morphe palette. This is called For the Bebs, and look how pretty it is. I already took a little peek, but these colors, as soon as I opened it, I'm not even joking, like I gasped. Because I am tired of seeing all of these palettes that look the same. She did not come to play. She really said color. She really said, let's have some fun. I like the names. Let's see if they correlate to her. Inaudible Noise, Clown, You Mad, Beep Boop, LMAO, Lil Papi Vani, 2016, Anulele, I think I said that right, I'm not sure. Chunkin's Coffee, Diet, My Fave, Maddie Don't Like, I Cry, Anthony, Fishy, Hidden, Bruh, Star Emoji, Mama's Fave, Seaweed, Jack and Benny, Pre, L-Dog, Gretel's, Gymnast Mems, Shanti G, The Beb, Lidster, You, and Sonia. I'm really excited for these right here. This says wet your brush before you line, so a bunch of liner that you can use. I'm gonna do my brows so I can have a fresh, clean canvas. So I'm gonna be using the NYX, the brow glue. Also, let's talk about this mirror. Huge, and we love that because it's literally like all you need. Like I can just take this on the go. You know, someone in my videos was saying you say juicy so often, that should be on your merch. I say scrumptious equally as much as I say juicy, and if I was to make merch that says juicy, I would get in trouble because juicy is already a thing. But yeah, when people first meet me, they're like, you use the weirdest things as descriptions for things. I'll look at a dog and be like, oh my god, he's such a juicy color, and I just mean like it's such a pretty color or such a good color, you know? You know what? I need to make a TikTok transition for this. First, I want to start off with using this MAC Studio Fix concealer all over my eyes and making sure that we have a blank canvas. And I don't even know what I want to do in my eyes today, but we're going to be rolling with the flow. I'm gonna now be setting it with my powder. I really want to swatch this shiny one. You're kidding me. Why do I kind of want to do like a fiery look today? But I also want to do like something with liner. A yellowy orange eye, and then I can take this red and just make like a winged liner. So let's go ahead and take Beep Boop. And this is also a Morphe brush. I didn't even plan to do that, but this is the M330. All up in my crease. Wow, like this is already very pigmented. I don't have words. Like it's really pigmented and it's super smooth. I'm gonna put one more little layer of yellow. And now I'm taking this Morphe M514 brush. This is a tiny little baby blending brush. I'm gonna go in with Anulele. Oh my, stop it. This reminds me of Cheetos. Whoa. I already know this gradient is going to be immaculate. You want to make sure that you're very precise and you're taking your time to blend out. And if it means to switch between brushes, this is my yellow brush. And then taking some more color, patting it in, hypnotizing. I feel like this whole entire palette is sending me into a little trance. Blend, blend, blend. That's what you need to do. So I kind of want to take this U color. I'm not sure if I can use this as eyeshadow or these are just strictly liners. This is a darker orange, so just getting that depth in there. Super spicy, scrumptious, delicious, delectable blend in color. Ooh, 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 oh, that's so yummy. Retouch your colors because that's what makes it look radiant. I'm getting the urge to like cut crease it and put like a just plain stark white and then do the red, but I might be tripping on that. I might be crazy for wanting to do that. Ew, I can't do this transition. Making TikToks makes me sweat sometimes. I don't know why I'm so rusty on transitions today. So I'm gonna be taking my concealer that we used earlier, and I'm just going to be taking it on a synthetic brush, and you already know the drill. Okay, I'm taking a little mini brush like this, and I'm taking inaudible noise. Pack the color right along the edges and then the center. And I'm gonna get a bigger brush, and I'm going to pack on that white. You don't have to do this, but this is just really going to add like another veil of white. Now I'm actually going to be using a lip brush. So this one is a very, very tiny MAC 316 SE brush. Right along the rim, I think I'm going to add UMAD, more like a reddish orange. And I'm going to be lining this outer part of our eye. See how much cleaner it made it? So this right here is really defined, and this one's just a little bit more like Once that's on, I'm going back in with my orange that we used for the transition. Okay, now I'm spraying some water on the back of one of my caps. And now I'm wetting my brush before I do this. I'm scared to see how it turns out. Whoa, wait. Hold the phone. Hold up. Whoa! Shut the duck up. What the duck? No, like I'm literally in shock. By the way, I'm using this liner brush 208 by LA Girl. Love this one for liner. I have eagle ears. Like my neighbor that's all the way over there, all the way upstairs, is literally listening to Everything I Wanted by Billie Eilish. Like, you know when you just know someone's voice and it's like literally 20 miles away, but just like the little small tinge of the person's voice. Look at that liner. Like, I am in love. This probably has to be my favorite palette so far that I have ever received. These liners are delicious. And I'm gonna put on like some light lashes so it's not too overbearing. And since you guys say that I don't ever tell you what lashes I'm wearing, they actually have glue on them right now, but these are Tata lashes. Look at the pretty packaging. This is in the style Mercedes, so I'm gonna wait for them to get tacky. The key is to have a tacky mascara under your lashes, so that way, two things: your lashes look like they are one with your lash line, and two, you won't be messing up your lashes by applying mascara at the end on top of them. So more uses out of your lashes, ladies. Think smarter. Avani's palette is delicious. Look at this. One thing about me is once I have my lashes on, that's it. I'm rocking with the lashes. I'm not taking them off. So we also have liner. I'm gonna take the black one. Ooh, it is so black. Do you guys see that? Oh baby, it glides and it's so pigmented. I think I want to do red under my eye. So I'm gonna like just do it under here. And then for the lippies, ooh, we have a black, a red. Ooh, we have 4 glosses. This is what they look like, but I don't feel like I'm gonna be using a gloss today. This is what they look like. I'm gonna give you guys a little swatchy moment before we go on. So this first one is called See-Through, and then we have this gold little baby. This one is in the shade Barely There. Next up we have Perfectly Pouty. This one's like a pink with like a bluey undertone. And lastly we have this baby. This one's called Yuck Clear, but it has like a gray tint. So I do have this exciting little baby here. This one's called the One Whoa Glow Face and Body Illuminator. So I'm gonna be applying this. I'm going to be placing this right onto my face as like an underneath face glow. Imagine just wearing this like on a beach day when you just want to be makeup free and you're just like glowing and looking so effortlessly flawless. Okay, and now I applied my foundation. I'm just wearing the lightest foundation that I have right now, which is my NARS Saline Sheer Glow Foundation. And as you can see, it's like running out to the very tip because I have to use a brush to apply it to get the product out. And now under our eyes, I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix. Again, this is the same concealer that we used for our primer. So I'm taking some here. I'm not gonna be taking too much. I want to hurry and use her bronzer, which I'm using as a mirror right now. This is the shade Vacation. This one is the middle dark shade. So there's a light middle and there's a deeper tone. I'll show you all the colors in a second. We're gonna pretend like this pimple isn't here. I'm taking some powder on my LA Girl brush. Okay, and for the eyebrows, I can't miss out on those. So this is my LA Girl Soft Brown Shady Slim Brow Pencil. Just gonna add a few hair strokes just to make it a little bit fuller. This is the best brow product you will ever have in your entire life, so go ahead and go get it with my code Aidette10. All right, moment of truth. So we're taking Avani's Vacation, and I'm taking it on a stippling brush. pigment. Sheesh. Then I'm gonna go very light-handed for my nose contour. And of course we gotta clean it up. Look how yummy. Ooh. So now for the highlight, with a little baby brush. This is my LA Girl 301 brush, and I'm taking the illuminator right on the tippy of my nose. Now I'm just gonna exaggerate that little button. I do want to do like a bright white right here, just to like boom, and only doing it right there. Wow, this is fire. I'm gonna be taking the red liner, and this is in the shade I Love Red, and I'm taking it right here. Ooh. Wait, that looks fire. Shut the duck up. This looks amazing. Okay, the red liner under just really did it for me. I decided to add a nice, like, super editorial, bright, orangey red blush. I went with the lip gloss. My battery's about to die. I know, I'm so bad. I literally took so long to film this video, but thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I love all this entire collection. 100 out of 10, I love it, and go snatch it up because it is fire, literally.